My name is Tanya Bale, and I'm the owner of the Shack on Broadway. As many of the homemade things that we can do here, the homemade buttermilk pancakes, the homemade mashed potatoes and gravy, it all makes that comfort food that Mom and Grandma used to make and that we grew up eating. When we did sit around the table and eat as a family, and that's the best concept that I have here, is that we really take it back to the basics of family dining. I want you to unplug and unwind and come in and sit and connect with your family and your friends. And our best sellers are our omelets with the side of pancakes, and of course our caramel rolls. We sell out every day, usually by 10 o'clock in the morning. So come on in and let's go on back to the kitchen and see how we make our homemade buttermilk pancakes.